All right, what's up guys? It's Devon from GoPowerSports. Right here we got the Rascal GT Cruiser Kit, well my version of the Rascal GT Cruiser Kit.
You win. Perfect.
So we'll start off from the top. We got the Rascal GT frame, and then we paired it up with the universal front suspension. And then we got the 6x5 Douglas wheels, 15-inch street tires with the half-inch bearings, half-inch axles, MM80 bars, got the tall billet risers on it. And you do have to drill a new hole for those since it's a single bolt. I usually drill the bolt right in front of right behind the original one. Got the nice gray bit well grips on it. 10-inch cylinder tank, silver billet foot pegs, and then it has the max torque 3000 stall clutch with that motor, 212 RS. So that engine will come with that clutch guard, top plate, hour meter. It will also come with the fuel pump, and it will come with that VM22 carb as well, the GoPowerSports brand. It does come with the curved manifold, so I had to swap the straight manifold. That's the premium air filter. 1/4-inch blue fuel line. Got a few shut-off valves to control the fuel. That's the 18.5 drag seat with the ducktail. And then Rascal GT header pipe. Douglas 6x5 racing wheel assembly. It'll come with the rim, both hubs, brake disc, sprocket adapter, all the hardware for it. It just doesn't come with any bearings. Okay. Not a lot of people know, but you do need 4 bearings for the rear rim.
What all did you have to do?
So first, to put this front suspension on, you have to drill the neck bearing or the neck bolt out to a 1/2 inch. Same with the front axle. You got to drill it out to a 1/2 inch.
And all your time, I know it's you worked on it here and there, but if you were to add up all your time, how long do you think it took you to put it all together?
Maybe 4 or 5 hours, maybe. So if you do want a kit like this, just shoot us an email at sales@GoPowerSports or Devon@GoPowerSports, and we'll be able to get this kit going for you.
Bam, good job.